begin with Morna Simeona.
Yes.
Morna was a hooponopono.
And what was your connection with Morna?
Well, I spent 10 years with Morna, from 1982 to 1992.
And then somehow it developed into the SITH classes?
Yes.
What is SITH?
This is self-identity through hooponopono.
And that's what the classes teach?
Yes. They teach several things. Number one, they teach how you can go back to zero. So it's the memories that replay in the subconscious that gets you back to zero. So when you want to clean, it's the memories in the subconscious that gets you back to zero.
And what does zero mean?
Zero means to be empty, free. So you're at zero level, you're free. You're free from whatever is going on in your life.
So if you help me here, if something's going on in your life, whether good or bad, but it stirs up thoughts and feelings,
Yeah.
you want to get away from that, you want to empty that.
Yes.
So that there's nothing in you,
Yes.
so that you can hear the divine.
Yes.
And that's where inspiration comes from.
That's what inspiration is all about.
How does one learn how to clean?
When you can pick it up in the class.
That class is
Self-identity through hooponopono.
self-identity through home. So the SITH class.
Yes.
Is that the only paradigm of hooponopono that comes directly from Morna?
Yes.
All the others that are on the internet are not from Morna.
Yes.
So it went from Morna to you to the SITH classes.
Oh, it went from Morna to me and then to all the instructors.
To all the instructors.
Yes.
So if an instructor is recognized by the SITH Foundation, it's that straight line.
Yes.
Do people need to take the SITH class?
Well, I think it's up to them, yeah.
It's up to them.
Yes.
Is it like an initiation?
No, I don't think it's initiation. It's about freedom. Freedom from anxiety, freedom from thinking. Thinking is really a problem.
Tell me what you mean by there's nothing outside yourself.
Well, all the information in you is already there. Okay, so that information is what you have brought into this lifetime. And so you have to clean it up.
So it could be for many lifetimes
Yes.
behind you.
Yeah, yeah. Could be for myriads of lifetimes.
When you clean on what's going on in you, how does that impact everybody else?
Well, it comes off everybody else. So whatever comes off of me will come off of the universe.
You are doing full-time cleaning now, and people don't know that you clean on all the students coming to the SITH classes. Could you mention what that's like, what happens?
Well, I get that information from Mary Curler every day.
The list of people
Yeah.
taking the class.
Yeah, and so I clean with them.
Do you clean with them like you did with the people that you did in the hospital? Is that the process? The same process?
Yeah.
If we were all cleaning,
The world would come to a peace.